This is a cover for a magazine called Fresh Direction. The title itself shows that it is a new start for uni students as they are able to choose the direction that they want to go in. The banner shows what key points are going to be in the magazine. They use a serif large block print font for the main articles to give a bigger impact from a distance to draw the reader in. As we can see, there is a masthead. There's also a date line, so they will know if they have the most relevant issue. The selling line is quite hyperbolic, which persuades the reader and draws them in. We see cover lines which summarise the important points in the article. Below the picture we also see a model credit. This is done in a hand script, which is feminine and makes it more personal and seem as though it's come from the model herself. The picture itself also creates an ideal partner and an ideal self, making people more likely to read it. The main image, the model is wearing skimpy clothing, which makes males more enticed to read it. This is the contents page. The images relate to the main story to help summarise without text. We see the anchorage of 66, which tells them what page they need to turn to without using imperatives and without them having to look at the table of contents. The table of contents itself has a main line which tells you what they categorise as, and subtext which helps tell you what the articles are about. We can also see an editor's letter which allows the editor to get their opinions across and make the magazine more personal for the reader. We can see contact info, which is separate from the rest of the text, which shows it is important and allows us to differentiate between them. We can see a folio which has the magazine name, page number, and a website address. They use a sans serif text within this page to make it easier for the reader to make sense of it and makes it seem more professional.